guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So this is one of the most requested video on my channel. Fat loss, fat loss, fat loss. What is the right way to lose fat and how to get to your fitness goals and all of that. So here in this video, we are going to talk about fat loss and some easy and effective ways by which you can get rid of those extra fat layers under your skin. And this is going to be really helpful for you guys as I know you all want to be in shape without starving to death. Hannah. So without further ado, let's get started. So basically there are two ways by which you can burn your overall fat. First way is cardio exercise. As the name says, cardio, that is cardiac, something related to our heart. Now what it does to our body? It increases our heartbeat and it uses large muscle movements over a sustained period of time. Now what are cardio exercises? It can be as simple, as basic as running, swimming or cycling. Something that can raise your heartbeat, something which works on your cardiovascular system. Burning fat by doing cardio exercise works, but it isn't the fastest method. You won't get result instantly, or I should say it isn't the most effective method. Every time you do some kind of cardio exercise, you work for your heart, not for your muscle, and in this case you're burning calorie once when you're actually doing it. The best and the most effective method to get those toned arms, toned legs and overall toned body brings me to point number 2, which is resistance training or weight training. Now let me break it down. Resistance training actually increases your muscle strength and makes your muscle work against a weight or a force. Weight training causes the muscles to contract against an external resistance. Now every time you do a squat or you lift a dumbbell, you go through a process of micro tears. Now when you go back home, when you take rest, and in that resting process, those micro tears go through a repairing process, and in the repairing process your body burns another set of calorie. So you're burning calorie twice. Once when you are doing it, when you are lifting those weights, and secondly when you are in the resting phase, in the repairing process of those micro tears. So let's do a quick comparison now. If you are doing cardio exercises, then you are burning your calories right there when you're actually doing that workout. Whereas in the resistance training, or you can call it weight training, you are burning calories twice. First when you are actually doing it, and for the second time in the resting phase. That is when your micro tears are repairing. So I feel in a long run, weight training is much better than cardio. But on the other hand, you can say that cardio exercises you can do it at your home as well. Whereas for the weight training, you can do it effectively in gym, else you can do lot of jugaad at your home and you can do that as well. So that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. Most importantly, give this video a thumbs up and please comment down what else you want to see, what more video ideas and suggestions. And we are very close to hit 10,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Please subscribe to this channel. I just Pyaar you guys. Bye bye.